Never get a gray cat. He has the most ugly face in the entire universe. You think it's a cute fluffy creature? Haha, tell me that when he throws up a hairball. Especially look at his eyes.
Leaving town? I found a pet sitter who treats my dog like family. Flat for Pet connects pet owners and sitters you can trust. Pet sitters get paid in love and live life through travel.
He looks at you like you're living with him, and they're talking to me. Did you give me something to eat? No? Then don't bother me. Stop lying to your freshly cooked cat. Seriakat. This is what you say when you think he can't do something. And he does it twice. He doesn't ask for food, he needs it. If he wants it and doesn't get it, he orders it. You just serve the person who brings him food. He doesn't care, he commands. You just serve the one living in the house where he resides. He is the director of the house. You can feed him sausage, cut up treats into tiny pieces, and buy the best toys, but he will still take over the shop and your heart. And when you finally get to know him, you'll be able to tell who's really in charge. Right, the gray cat with that unmistakable facial expression.